Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Engineer Mubashir Shah is with you with a new topic. Actually, it is not a new for me. Last year also, Zul Hajjah, I had uploaded a lecture on the same topic, which is topic of today. That is blessings and virtues of 10 days of Zul Hajjah. Most scholars try to make comparisons between 10 days of Zul Hijjah and the last 10 days of Ramadan. Some prioritize 10 days of Zul Hijjah for the higher rewards than the last 10 days of Ramadan, and vice versa. Some others, they say no, Ramadan 10 days have better rewards and multiple rewards and are better. So anyway, both are in their own way, they are right. But after a deep thought, last year also and this year, and maybe before also, during tafsir, actually there is no contradiction and there is no competition between the two. No competition. Dhul Hajjah and Ramadan, they work together. It is not a competition, it is a sequence of mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Zul Hajjah, 10 days, 1 to 10, versus Ramadan, last 10 nights. People ask this question, and even scholars between themselves, they have differences, and many people, surely they have in their mind that what is the difference? 10 days of Hajj and 10 days of Ramadan, which days have higher rewards? They have same rewards, one is lesser than the other. As I said, after deeper thinking, not me, maybe others might have thought the same way. They are not in competition, actually. They complement each other. Both complement each other. This is the simple answer, that there is no contradiction, they complement each other. Allah swears by these 10 days of Zul Hajjah, by the dawn and by the 10 nights. This is Surah Al-Fajr, ayat 1 and 2, which says, Wal Fajr walayalin ashr, in the 10 days of, this is, opinion of the scholar and my opinion that this refers to the 10 days of Zul Hajjah. Allah is saying that these are 10 days. So the 10 days, majority of scholars say this refers to the first 10 days of Zul Hajjah, this ayah. The Prophet ﷺ hadith says, there are no other days in which righteous deeds are more beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is majority opinion of scholars. But why it is so? Because these days combine many ibadat and many farz deeds, which are 5 pillars of Islam, you can say, are combined in these 10 days, which are prayer, fasting, charity, zikr, and hajj. So this is the huge importance of these 10 days, because there are no other days in which all these 5 pillars of Islam are combined together in ibadat and in zikr. So the last 10 nights of Ramadan hold Laylatul Qadr, Surah Al-Qadr, ayat 3, as compared to Zul Hajjah. Allah says Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Allah says Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. This is over 83 years of worship in one night. So this is the significance. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also used to utilize these 10 days for various good deeds and abadat, and of course abadat he used to do it, no need to say it even, but he was very particular in his righteous deeds during these 10 days, more than maybe normal days. I believe it must be the same for Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. But it is guidance for us that in these days we need to make more focus than other days of the year. So then how scholars reconciled between these 10 days and 10 days of Zulhijjah and 10 days of Ramadan, how they reconciled? As I have already pointed out my own view, the day of Zulhijjah are the most beloved for righteous deeds. This is hadith. The nights of Ramadan are the most blessed because of Laylatul Qadr. So both have virtues, both have blessings. One has more blessings during the day time, as I said, 5 pillars of Islam and Ibadat. And others nights, they have their own context and their own benefits of worship or blessings during the nights, 10 nights. The 10 nights of Ramadan are most blessed because of Laylatul Qadr, while Zulhijjah is most blessed because of Yawm Arafah. So both have their own context and their own significance and importance. So maybe it is not appropriate to say one has priority over the other. This is my view. Both, it is a plus this actually. It is a combination of the two which makes us in a better thinking process. So Allah gives us both seasons back to back. This is seasons of mercy and His blessings back together, one after the other. Zulhijjah comes with Hajj and Eid al-Adha, keeping our hearts alive with takbir and sacrifice, while Ramadan returns months later to renew us with Quran and Qiyam. One builds deeds in the day, the other elevates our nights. The other elevates our nights. Both prepare us for actually Jannah. What is our aim? This is our final aim. So this is what. So in Dhul Hijjah, 10 days, fast during the nine days, if it is possible and your health and your condition allows. Say takbir after every prayer. Give even some charity on daily basis, or at least during these days, and also pay zakat, and also any outstanding zakat also clear, and do as much as possible istighfar and tawbah, self-assessment, istighfar and tawbah. So this is very important. And Ramadan last 10 nights, we pray 2 rakat at least for tahajjud, and recite Quran as much as we can. And we spend some minutes, some time in making dua and seeking Allah's blessings for Laylatul Qadr. So one builds year daytime habits, while the other deepens our nights or our thoughts, or purifies our hearts. Together they keep our heart connected, so it is connection. Both keep our hearts connected to the will or to the satisfaction of our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it is both connect us to Allah actually. So it is this plus this. It is not one better than the other. And so within these 10 days plus these 10 days. So the other deepens our nights. Together this is the conclusion, they keep our hearts connected to our Creator. So finally, don't fall into this comparing. Don't fall into this comparing between these 10 days and the other 10 days. Fall into connecting. They both connect us to our Creator. So this is the final thing which always we should keep in our minds. So, as I said, use Dhul Hijjah to strengthen our habits and use Ramadan to reach our peak of our internal purity of our heart and punctuality in Qiyam and Quran and understanding Quran, not just reading and zakat and sadaqat and charity, any good deeds. During these both 10 days, any good deeds, righteous deeds will benefit and you will get unspecified rewards. And you cannot count. There is no scale to count how much it will be more than 70 times, 700 times, 1,000, 10,000 times. So unspecified rewards. And there are many hadiths say that previous sins, will be forgiven if you seek, of course, because Quran also mentioned tawbah. So seeking tawbah, istighfar and tawbah during these months, plus the virtues and blessings of these 10 days, both together, I should say, would cleanse your sins and your previous whatever wrongdoings. Allah will give forgiveness, inshallah. So may Allah give strength in our habits and use the Ramadan days to reach our peak of our purity, internal purity. God bless you all, and may Allah accept our prayers and our ibadat and our zikr and our charity or zakat or sadaqat or whatever righteous deeds we do, inshallah, in the coming 10 days of Ramadan. May Allah accept all from me, my family, my neighbors, my friends, and all those who are listening to this, inshallah. As-salam.